In recent years, mechanical keyboards have gained tremendous popularity due to their numerous advantages over membrane keyboards. We got to understand that mechanical keyboards and membrane keyboards are two distinct types of keyboards with significant differences in their design and functionality. Mechanical keyboards utilize individual mechanical switches beneath each keycap. These switches are typically made of metal springs and contacts that provide tactile feedback and audible click sounds when pressed. The key travel distance is usually longer in mechanical keyboards, resulting in a more satisfying typing experience. The individual switches also allow for better precision and accuracy, making mechanical keyboards favored by gamers and typists who require quick and precise key inputs. On the other hand, membrane keyboards use a different technology. They consist of a series of rubber or silicone domes with printed circuits beneath the keycaps. When a key is pressed, the dome collapses and makes contact with the circuit, registering the keystroke. Membrane keyboards are generally quieter and have shorter key travel distances compared to mechanical keyboards. However, they may lack the tactile feedback and audible clicks, which some users prefer for a more responsive typing experience. In this video, we will explore several mechanical keyboards that offer exceptional performance and value within a maximum budget of €200. Whether you're a gaming enthusiast or a professional typist, these keyboards provide an immersive and satisfying typing experience without breaking the bank. So, let's dive into the world of mechanical keyboards and discover some excellent options within your budget range. In the realm of budget-friendly mechanical keyboards, there are several options that offer an exceptional typing experience without straining your wallet. Let's explore some of these affordable mechanical keyboards that provide great value for their price. Retrogon K552. The Retrogon K552 is a compact mechanical keyboard that has gained popularity for its affordability and durability. It features audible switches, known for their tactile feedback and reliable performance. Despite its compact size, the Retrogon K552 doesn't compromise on functionality and offers a full-sized layout with a numeric keypad. The keyboard's sturdy construction ensures long-lasting use, making it a reliable choice for budget-conscious buyers. Techwear Phantom. The Techwear Phantom is a full-sized mechanical keyboard that combines affordability with impressive features. It boasts RGB lighting, allowing users to customize their keyboard's aesthetics according to their preferences. Similar to the Retrogon K552, it also utilizes audible switches, known for their responsiveness and durability. The Techwear Phantom offers a great balance between price and functionality, making it an excellent choice for those seeking an affordable yet feature-rich mechanical keyboard. Pro 2. The Pro 2 stands out among budget-friendly mechanical keyboards with its compact design and wireless capabilities. This Bluetooth keyboard supports a wide range of devices and offers customizable RGB lighting effects. Users can choose between gate-run and Kale switches, both known for their smooth keystrokes and durability. The Pro 2 is an ideal option for those seeking a portable and versatile mechanical keyboard without compromising on features. These budget-friendly mechanical keyboards, such as the Retrogon K552, Techwear Phantom, and Pro 2, demonstrate that a decent typing experience doesn't have to come at a high cost. With their affordable prices, durable construction, and impressive features like audible switches, RGB lighting, and customizable options, these keyboards offer excellent value for their price range. Whether you're a student, a casual typist, or a budget-conscious gamer, these mechanical keyboards are worth considering as affordable yet reliable choices for your typing needs. Moving up the price range, mid-range mechanical keyboards offer a blend of affordability and additional features. Let's explore some noteworthy options in this category that provide enhanced functionality and premium switch choices. Keychron K6. The Keychron K6 is a wireless compact mechanical keyboard that has gained popularity for its versatility and sleek design. It features gate-run switches, known for their smooth keystrokes and durability, offering a pleasant typing experience. The keyboard also boasts customizable RGB lighting, allowing users to personalize their keyboard's aesthetics. With its wireless connectivity, the Keychron K6 provides the convenience of cable-free usage, making it an excellent choice for those seeking portability and flexibility. Duck-U12 Mini. The Duck-U12 Mini is a highly regarded compact mechanical keyboard that has garnered attention for its exceptional build quality and performance. It utilizes renowned Cherry MX switches, known for their reliability, smooth operation, and customizable keycaps. Despite its compact size, the Duck-U12 Mini offers a wide range of features, including customizable RGB lighting and programmable macros. The keyboard's sturdy build ensures long-lasting durability, making it a popular choice among enthusiasts and professionals alike. Royal Kluge RK61. The Royal Kluge RK61 is a wireless compact mechanical keyboard that offers a choice between gate-run or RK switches, providing flexibility in switch preferences. Similar to the Keychron K6, it features customizable RGB lighting for users to personalize their keyboard's appearance. The wireless connectivity of the RK61 adds convenience and mobility to the typing experience. With its compact form factor and wireless capabilities, the Royal Kluge RK61 is an attractive option for those who prioritize portability without sacrificing functionality. These mid-range mechanical keyboards, such as the Keychron K6, Ducky 1-2 Mini, and Royal Kluge RK61, offer an excellent balance between affordability and additional features. With wireless connectivity, premium switch options like gate-run, Cherry MX, and RK switches, and customizable RGB lighting, these keyboards elevate the typing experience to a new level. Whether you value wireless convenience, premium switches, or the ability to customize your keyboard's aesthetics, these mid-range mechanical keyboards are worth considering for their enhanced functionality and versatility. Last but not least, for those seeking the pinnacle of mechanical keyboard excellence, high-end options provide premium materials, advanced customization features, and an unparalleled typing experience. Let's explore some exceptional high-end mechanical keyboards in the price range of $100 to $200. Leopold FC750R. The Leopold FC750R is renowned for its exceptional build quality and attention to detail. It features individual key backlighting, providing enhanced visibility and aesthetics. The keyboard offers various Cherry MX switch options, enabling users to choose their preferred switch type for a personalized typing experience. With its solid construction and high-end components, the Leopold FC750R delivers durability and reliability, making it a favorite among keyboard enthusiasts. Varmilo VA87M. The Varmilo VA87M is a compact mechanical keyboard that combines functionality with elegant design. It offers customizable backlighting options, allowing users to create a personalized lighting setup. The keyboard features a selection of Cherry MX switches, offering a range of tactile feedback and operating forces. With its premium materials, attention to detail, and high-quality build, the Varmilo VA87M provides a luxurious typing experience. High-end mechanical keyboards like the Leopold FC750R and Varmilo VA87M represent the epitome of mechanical keyboard craftsmanship. With premium materials, advanced customization options such as customizable RGB lighting and individual key backlighting, and a variety of Cherry MX switch options, these keyboards deliver a superior typing experience. Whether you prioritize impeccable build quality, advanced customization, or a luxurious typing feel, these high-end mechanical keyboards offer the perfect blend of aesthetics, functionality, and performance for keyboard enthusiasts and professionals alike.